we hit market opening, let's address another important story. We have our colleague Sapna joining in on the LPG and fertilizer subsidy, what shape and form it's going to take in the new financial year, because it's a new fund that the government is setting up to make good any losses that these companies incur. Sapna, good morning. Tell us the details.
Yeah, Sylvie, good morning. So basically, this is a well thought out action plan in terms of, better targeting of subsidies and better utilization of the funds. Any reserve fund that's set up under the budget, as we are aware, this is for a very specific purpose. So the purpose mentioned in the budget papers this time is basically taking care of any gaps, any shortfalls that can incur on fertilizer and LPG subsidies. Now here, when you say LPG subsidy, is very specific. This is the Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana that we are talking about. We're not talking about anything else over here. Similarly, in terms of fertilizer subsidies, the government has a massive budget allocation every year, though it's been trending down since the last 2 years. So that's also something we need to keep in mind. The third that they mentioned as a purpose is also the incremental share that the government has to give in terms of boosting the oil reserves basically. So around 5,300 odd crores has been set out in the budget. So this year that money will go out. The fund will be left with somewhere around 12,000 odd crores worth of balance, and in that you add the next year's budget allocation. So these are big numbers that we're looking at, around 17 odd thousand crores this year, around 19 odd thousand crores next year. Now the important point here also is that this fund is being set up in the midst of the demand that is coming from the Petroleum Ministry for compensating the OMCs for the LPG losses. We are given to understand that that's a separate aspect altogether, and the government will be examining that proposal.
All right.